Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Pokemon Go Spoofer for 2025, iOS and Android. So you get all these settings. It's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download. So let's get right into the tutorial. So basically what you need to do is go ahead and go over to your browser, and there's going to be a website called zoomods.com. I want you on this website right away. So once you're there, guys, go to the search bar and type in Pokemon. There's going to be a lot of Pokemon related apps. Obviously, we want the one called Pokemon Go Spoofer. So press on it, press the down button. There you go. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification you have to do. You have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. All right. So yeah, you just gotta wait. So basically, you will see the verification menu, and it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install Spoofer, right? So there's gonna be like 4 of these apps. I do this one usually, Family Island, because all I have to do on it is reach level 15. But you can do whatever you want. Make sure you download 2 of them. Just press tap to install. Bring you to the store. I'm on Android phone, so it brings me to Play Store. But if you're on an iPhone, it's gonna bring you to the App Store. So just download the apps. Follow the instructions. They're very easy, but make sure you read them. Down, install 4 games, install and play 2 games. So anyway, guys, after you do that, you should have the spoofer on your device. You're going to have tons of settings here, as you can see. So it is pretty wild. There's like a favorites map thing. You can see all of the nearby areas. You can like teleport to them. So it's pretty cool. And there's just so many settings in here, like the favorites. We got the map, feed, teleport, everything. So it's pretty cool.